Hi, you guys. I am so sorry. I did it again. I'm new with this microphone thing. So I just did all of this and I noticed that my microphone was not on.
Ooh, that cash, let your savings rise. Budget goals and dream filled skies. Can it, track it, we're on the right road. Turn those pennies into a treasure load. Save a little, trusting God. Join the sassy scribble squad.
Another month is officially in the books. Today we're closing out our July and taking an honest look at what went well, what didn't, and what I'm taking into August. If you're rebuilding your finances like I am, this is proof that progress matters more than perfection. Hello, Sassy Scribble Squad. Welcome back to Sassy Scribble Co., where we budget better, grow in faith, and turn our money stress into a money plan. I'm Patricia, and I'm documenting my journey from surviving to thriving after starting over financially. Let's close out this July together. Okay, so welcome back. If you see all this, I did it again. I have a new microphone, and my microphone was not turned on while I was filming this. So we're going to go ahead and go back over this. So I actually income from my actual income was 1,180. Hubby's was 1,870 for a total of 3,050, which I put down here. Okay, and then so our rent was actually 1,400. Phones 85, Microsoft 10, Marika 10. The electric was 118, Google 3, Internet 98, car insurance 161, and that was because if you've seen in my other video, the last paycheck budget video, Shopify billed me and they were not supposed to. I closed out that shop and they billed me anyway. They were having something real funky going on with their website, with like double billing and all of that stuff like that. But anyway, it kicked back my insurance payment. And so I had to pay that and then another $25. And Google One, $10, car, zero. Google One, the other Google One, $3, Canva, 15, doctor's appointment, 45, meds, $30, food, 150, laundry, 40, gas, 40, household 25. For this, we really haven't been driving the car unless my husband been driving it for work. And then I'll go to my doctor's appointments, but that's about it. I'm trying to save on the gas. And plus, our AC is not working in the car, so we really don't want to be in that car for longer than we have to. Hubby, $30, me, $30, and furniture was only $70. Okay, so we're going to start over with totaling that up. 1,400 plus 85 plus 10 plus 10 plus 118 plus 3 plus 98 plus 161 plus 10 plus 3 plus 15 plus 45 plus 30 plus 150 plus 40 plus 40 plus 25 plus 30 plus 30 plus 70 equals $2,373. 373. So go ahead and put it over here in the summary. Okay, so total savings, zero. CashStuffing budget, it was only $191 that we cash stuffed this month. Okay, and credit, that was actually zero. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this is. Close this out. 3050 minus $2,373 minus 191 equals. It shows $486. And I'm trying to see what that went because, yeah, I know we cleaned out the car. What else did we do? I know I put in an order for, the budgeting items, some of the budgeting items from my shop. And then we do have about 200 left. But okay, you guys, and see, this is good. Why it's good to budget and then close out your budget so you can see where money has gone or what's missing. That way, I could do. That way, I could just look and see what I need to do to better budget because having this much money and not knowing where it went is crazy. So with this, what I'm going to improve on is I'm going to improve more on keeping track, actually using my spending tracker. Um, and I'm going to meal plan, eat out less, I'm going to save more. And like I said, track the spending and watch every dollar. Coming up for August, I'm going to start that 90-day spiritual financial fast. So if you guys want to go along with me, um, you could order. You could go ahead and order the calendar, no spend calendar off my shop. It's in the bio, or if you could create your own calendar by pen and paper. I'm doing a 90-day spiritual financial fast because of stuff like this. And I need to be a good steward over money. So this is a journey that I need to take. So for me, it's going to be August, September, and October. And so that's what we are going to do there. And if July taught me anything, is that progress isn't always fast, but every step still counts. Thank you so much for following this journey. If you're building to or rebuilding, I love to for you to be a part of Sassy Scribble Squad. Remember, from surviving to thriving, one prayer, one plan, and one budget at a time. I'll see you in the next one.